please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
In chapter 23, verse 3, of the Holy Quran, Allah, the Exalted, mentions the importance of not using bad or useless words. Most of the sins of a person are caused by words. It is a duty of a Muslim to stick to the advice of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, which is recorded in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 176, which is to either say good words or remain silent. A Muslim should not copy other people when they say bad words, or even reply to them with bad words, as this only makes them as bad as the one who spoke to them. It is important to remember that it only takes one bad word to end up in hell. This is recorded in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 3970. It is best to speak kind words, as this causes Allah, the Exalted, to become happy, and people will respect them too. This leads to good in this world and the next. Also, it is important to always think before speaking, as a person may say something bad causes him trouble and regret. So always think before speaking, and only speak if the words are good and helpful.